When you said that we was finished, was that truth or lie? Tell me all the things that keep you up at night. Crying in your pillow, hoping they can't hear you. You know I am not the type to criticize. All these dudes up in your DM act like you don't see them. Online you Santa Maria, but inside you bleeding. Look, I know you tryna live your life. You was never good at picking sides, but I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. Wishing we could reminisce. Why you run away from me? I hate to talk to play catch up, now it's speed going down.
The bump is real on this wig. Dang. Got me feeling like Velma off of Scooby-Doo. Okay, I went ahead and cut the lace off and applied some press powder off camera. I can tell y'all now this wig is not big head friendly. My head size is 22 and y'all, this wig is suffocating my head.
I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce.
That looks really good, y'all. That looks immaculate. Yo, that looks good. Do y'all see that? Here's the lace right here where I did not lay it down. And look at this. What? Girl. Come on, Bobbi Boss. Come on. What? I'm just... What? All right, let me let this dry a little bit more. What? Y'all. Come on now. All I gotta do is clean up this excess makeup right here. Bobbi Boss ain't playing. Yo. I'm gonna wear a middle part because the parting space for me is too short to wear a left part. So I'm just gonna do a middle part, but bruh. Bobbi Boss said we ain't playing no games, okay? I ain't gonna say no names, but we ain't playing no games.
I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. Wishing we could reminisce.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all. Your girl is feeling great today. So we in the house in quarantine. Your girl is feeling real good. You know, I'm slaying from room to room. You know, I go to the bathroom, look at myself like, hey, girl. Go to the living room and go like, bam. Go to my bedroom and be like, pow. Yes. I am slaying in quarantine. Okay? Today's video is by moi. I did purchase this wig off Elevated Styles. If you would like to shop on Elevated Styles, I'll leave the direct link down below in the description box. But if you put the wig's name in Google, all the sites will pop up that the wig is sold on. Okay, so you can shop where your heart desires. Yes. So let's get into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy, 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 wiggy. Yes. Today's wig is by Bobbi Boss, y'all. And Bobbi Boss did not come to play with us today. Okay? Do y'all see the hair? It's just moving and swinging. You send me swinging. Oh, you send me swinging. Yes, Bobbi Boss got me waiting for the day. This is their lace front premium synthetic wig. It's made with HD lace and it has seamless blending. Now, y'all know I don't be lying to y'all. That blending is on point. I mean, do y'all see me? Do y'all see me? Oh, y'all can also see my lips. Like, they popping. Yes. What you know about me? What you know about me? My lip gloss is popping. Is that the same song? I don't know. All right, so it does come with HD lace, and it has 4x4 deep lace. It also comes with baby hairs. Ain't nothing baby about them baby hairs, okay? They is granddaddy long leg baby hairs. This wig comes with flexible parting. I guess that means you can party in the middle, the left, or the right. I'm confused. What is flexible parting? This wig is heat resistant safe, but it does not have any degrees on the wig. So when I applied heat to this wig, I left my hot comb on 1. I have this wig in the style MLF441 LEVI. I don't know why Bobbi Boss always giving these wigs social security numbers. Like, what's up? Why? Just say Levi. In the color number 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons to this wig. Y'all already know how I do. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the bomb on you, baby, and give y'all those cons first. The first con I would have to say about this wig is that the wig is very small, y'all. This wig is not big head friendly at all. It did kept sliding back, so I pulled it forward, and I did lay this wig down with some of my bedhead freeze spray because I didn't want it to go nowhere. And also, I wanted to see if it blended as seamless as they said it does. And you know, they proved me wrong. Another con I would have to say, and this is more of a personal preference, like the bump is too hard on this wig. Y'all, I do not like this wig hugging my triple chin like this. This wig was basically touching before I took some scissors and clipped the ends because it was like shoot, shoot, de-doo, shoot, de-doo, shoot, de-doo, de-doo, de-doo. What I'm about to say next is not really a con, it's just really annoying. We know that Bobbi Boss be giving us those granddaddy long leg baby hairs. Y'all, I've tried to blend and mask these baby hairs in so bad, but they just don't want to work. I use my wax stick, I use some heat, I use my mousse, and it's just not working. So they can be a real annoyance, so I just started cutting them. But those are the only cons that I have about this wig, so I'm gonna jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the lace, y'all. This lace blended to perfection. Y'all saw during the first part of the video, I didn't have to do a whole lot of work to this wig. All I did was put my spray on it, lay it down, and y'all, popping. Do y'all hear me? Popping, y'all. Bobbi Boss did that, okay? And I don't know if this line is like a baby sister of the HD line, or is it the same line? I don't know. But the lace came a little bit browner than the other laces, so maybe Bobbi Boss was listening to us. I don't know. But the lace blended down so well. Another pro is the parting space. I didn't have to pluck anything. Y'all know I wasn't gonna pluck nothing anyway. But y'all, look at that. It looks so natural. Another pro I would have to say is the hair. This hair feels really, really good. Bobbi Boss has some of the best premium fiber hair in the synthetic wig game, okay? Their hair feels amazing. I did not receive any tangling or any shedding at all, which I know this is a synthetic wig and it will shed and tangle over time. I just want to play in this hair all day, y'all. This hair feels so good. I'm emotional and I can't let go. It's really not a whole lot for me to say about this wig, y'all. I do believe Levi is beginner friendly. She can be a plop on and go depending on your complexion and how well the lace blends into your skin tone. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
The type to criticize. All these dudes up in your DM act like you don't see them. Online you said I'm Maria, but inside you bleeding.